what kinds of things would we look for in a modern EHR from that would define a technology platform that you think would work?
Well, I would say let's give the attributes of the platform, and then you can spin off whatever you want to, including an EHR from the platform, right? Once you have the data, then you've got the platform. There's like unlimited use cases with it, literally, right? And so you have to have sort of the abstract layer and the reusable content and logic, the curated data that's facilitated with APIs. That's fundamental in healthcare, so that the application doesn't have to constantly do that. So registries, core things like registries, metrics, value sets, embedded machine learning, so that it's not something that you do as an afterthought, but you can call an API and you can bind your data to a machine learning AI model without doing it externally to the application. It's a natural part of the data first application. It certainly has to support real time. It has to support batch analytics, right? Yep. It has to be microservices based. And there's a lot of debate about what does microservices really mean. We can talk about that, but what it means is continuous delivery, right? No more of the, remember back to the days when you had to upgrade an EHR?
Yep.
It was a thousands of hours initiative that took months and months to plan and execute. And even then it was painful, right? As opposed to the microservices continuous release cycle that we see now. So let me comment on that, by the way. So the data operating system we have right now is microservices based, and we're able to push out updates to our apps and the platform now faster than the cultural ability of health systems is to adapt to it. Because the culture, our IT shops are accustomed to very rigorous configuration control and release schedules. At best, it's like once a month, generally speaking. It's certainly not daily. So that's an interesting thing that's evolving. Back to the attributes of the platform. The platform has to support the integration of text, discrete, and image data. You have to be able to support that and make that a natural part of the data ecosystem. I think I mentioned real-time streaming. It has to do that. Batch analytics. By the way, if folks want to study this a little more, it's an easy study. Kappa and Lambda architectures in Silicon Valley are the role model that we should all be following. Those design patterns are what we should all be following.